Sleep. Do we really know what sleep is? Do we know when it comes and when it goes? On an average, a man who lives for 75 years spends 25 years sleeping. What sleep really is? Have you ever seen a sunrise or a sunset? When we see the sun rise or the sun setting in, we see the light coming and the light going. But in case of sleep, we never come to know when sleep comes into our system and when it leaves. We are just aware till what time we were awake or till what time we got up. We never come to know the entire process, how sleep comes in and how it leaves the system. Once Anand, who was the brother of Buddha and also his disciple, asked him, Buddha, I want to know that you never ever move a limb while sleeping. How is that possible? Buddha said, I am aware and consciously awake at the time of sleeping. It is only when I want to move a limb, I move it, or else I let it be. To start being aware of your sleeps, you need to understand that first you need to be aware of your wakefulness. You should be aware of each and every activity you do while in your waking state. Once you start doing that, automatically you will fall into a system of being aware into your dream state and your sleeping state. Once you start understanding your sleep, you start understanding the process and the activities that happens in sleep. You also see how dreams come in and when they leave. It is not that you remember your dreams after you get up. You remember your dreams or you actually see your dreams coming while they are happening. It's a beautiful state. Sleep is a part of us. It needs to be understood. It needs to be monitored. It needs to be analyzed. There are various methods of analyzing your dreams, which we shall discuss in coming times.